Okay, let's take a look at okay. Take a look at deleting a record. I'm just wondering why in the world these aren't looking good when I run the program. I need a button, and I'll call this one delete. And it'll be based upon what I put in for the key down here. And I'm going to stick with my first name and last name concatenated together for the key. Or I guess it's last name first, then first name. I don't know. What do I got? Last name first. Okay. Let's see. Come over here to main activity. And public void button delete rec UV. What would be the simplest one to grab? Probably the insert. Let me grab this. Yeah, that uses key, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so copy, paste it up here. And let me think what I need. I need the key. So key, what's key? Key is a string. Add underscore key equals to edit text. Find view by ID r.id.tf key. And add underscore key. Okay, so that's going to retrieve my key. And then I'm going to say key is equal to add key dot get text. Get text. Set text. No, get text. Dot to string. Okay. Don't need any of those. I'm not retrieving anything or inserting anything. I don't need the member. Okay, this makes the connection to the table. I need another dot. Child, I think it's key. That makes a connection to that particular record within the table. I know they're not called that, but I'll go with that. And ref dot. Hopefully I don't remove my entire table here. Okay. And deleted record. I guess it's pretty easy to add the table back in. Okay, to the table. If I didn't have the dot child key here, it probably would remove the entire table. We might try that. It might be kind of fun. Run that. That's probably the thing I hate the most about Android Studio is these constraints. Now other things are screwed up. Okay. Where's my key at? Hayes David. Let me do a find. Still there. Okay. Now let me go over to my table. Okay. And actually, let me find Hayes's David. Okay, and I'm going to click delete. Did I click it? I don't see it disappearing over here. Don't appear to be blowing up. Oh, I didn't make the connection between the. Okay, how many times am I going to screw that up? Please delete Rick. Okay, stop that, run that. Get my database up there so I can see what's happening. Search for the key. Jesus David. Find. Okay, so it's there. I click delete. And it's gone. Okay. Now this is already up here, so if I clicked insert, it would add the record back in. If I chose a different key, like assuming I could actually type that in, then I could program that. Probably I need to first check to see if it's there before I'd issue the remove. If I removed on a record that wasn't there, that might cause it to crash. Let's see. It says deleted record. Okay. Now to clean out the entire table, my assumption is that I just need to get rid of this .child key over here, and that'll remove the entire table member 2. Let's see if that's a true statement. Don't need to put anything in for key, but just in case, I put it there, and I click delete. Bam! It's all empty now. Interesting. David Hayes, 54, click insert. What I screwed up there? Maybe because member 2 was deleted? No, I wouldn't think so. Ah, 54. Inserted record. I don't know what I did. I must type something in wrong on that first time. But that's how you either it looked like it deleted the table completely. It just looked like it deleted every record. So if you're figuring out want to know how to delete every record, then you remove that at the end. Let me put that back. Okay. That's how you remove a single record. Take off the .child key and you remove every record in that table.